Welcome everyone. I haven't done a video in planning in a while and kind of had gotten away from it even though I knew what zones I wanted to do as far as for the house cleaning and decluttering. So I thought I would get back into it. And so I'm using this planner that I repurposed. It was from a different year, and which is why I put sometimes these little circle punches to change the dates. And for this particular, so we are in 2025, even though that says 2020. And this is starting for the week. So Monday is going to be the 8th, which is tomorrow. I'm filming this on Sunday. So this will be 8, 9, 10. Then over in here, 11, 12. Saturday is the 13th and Sunday will be the 14th. And these are some gel pens that I bought at Michael's. It was a set of 100. So I'd like to alternate. So I'm using this purple and this neon pink. These are templates that I got at Hobby Lobby. They were in clearance. I think they were either the Happy Planner or the Agenda 52. And I like to use them for the planner. So for this upcoming week, which starts on a Monday, I will be in zone 2. And my zone 2 is the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. So for Monday, my focus is the kitchen. And so this is pick up and put away, clean the counter, clean the island, wipe down the fridge on the outside, the microwave, clean it, wipe it in and outside, shine my sink, and sweep and mop. I already started doing this. So actually yesterday, Saturday, I already did the pick up and put away. I already wiped down the counter, the main counter and the island. And then I used a combination of 50/50 white vinegar and Dawn dishwashing soap. And I sprayed that down and wiped down the counter and the island and got rid of a lot of things. So it does really look nice and decluttered. I wiped down the fridge, the outside of the fridge. The inside of the fridge will be sort of one of those major projects. So right now it's just the fridge on the outside. So I did complete all of those. I did wipe down the microwave on the outside, but I didn't do the inside yet. So I'll probably do that today and then I'll mark that off. I will probably do a video on shining my sink and what I use. I use the pink stuff. So maybe I will do that. I do it a little bit differently than the Fly Lady. I think she uses bleach. I shine my sink every week, so using the pink stuff is fine for me. And I already did a sweep, but I have not done a mop, so that's why I didn't mark that one off. So for Tuesday, I don't really have anything placed down. I might, maybe we'll see. Wednesday, I am off, so I have the living room and dining room, and my plan is to do the pick up, put away for both of these rooms, dust, the corners, if there's any cobwebs. The living room has that door that goes outside to the back patio, so I want to make sure that I dust and clean that door track. Window sills also, just dust those off. The cat tree, we have that in the living room, so just taking a brush and just getting rid of some of that fur that sometimes may sit on there. And then sweep and vacuum and mop. I already did a little bit of the sweeping, but I do want to do, since this is in the zone, I want to make sure that I do a little bit of a deeper cleaning and vacuuming and mopping in these 2 rooms, as well as the kitchen. And Wednesday is going to be my home blessing hour. This is where the Fly Lady says to, in that 1 hour, 15 minutes, just to make sure that you get certain things done every week. So that will be the bed sheets, vacuuming, mopping, dusting, and swish swipe. Even though I kind of do that really pretty much every day, but just to still put that in there. So swish and swipe. And I will probably do for Saturday is my usual watering of the plants. And I just use this planner strictly for home, for my zones, for decluttering. And I might do a declutter in maybe one of my junk drawers. But I'm excited also. I have ordered a dump brain dump journal, so that should be coming this week. And when I get that, I will go ahead and share that and make a video for you. On Wednesday, I have this happy planner. I think I've showed this. I've done a flip through. And this is based on Essential Home. And I really like this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add some stickers here. I think here I'm going to put, for this Wednesday here, get things done, because that'll be a busy day. I think I also want to do some meal planning, or maybe go to Sprouts. So let me see if there usually is one in here for maybe meal prep. Maybe I'll think about this on Tuesday, what I want to get grocery wise, and then do the shopping on Wednesday. In fact, maybe I'll put this one here. This one says to buy. I don't think I've ever used this sticker. So maybe I could put my grocery list here. There is a sticker for grocery list, but I think I'll go ahead and I'll do that. I want to see about getting back into the whole food plant-based. So we'll be getting some veggies and fruit and things like that. There is an anniversary coming up on the 10th, so I am going to be making a card, I think today, so I may do a video on that. But I think that is it for this. So just pretty much, I'm kind of glad that I got quite a bit of the kitchen out of the way, and I will finish this up today. So this way Monday is actually a free day for me, but it's just something that I wanted to make sure that I put in my planner. And then this way, Wednesday, I can focus on this. And then the weekend should be pretty free for me, except, you know, the watering the plants, which I do have to do today. So that is it for this. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.